So I had a few friends ask me to explain, like to elaborate on what I'm doing here at Gauntlet. I'm in Austin now, in week 4 of 10. And essentially I am staying here for free, eating for free, having my laundry service taken care of, everything taken care of so that we can spend all of our waking time practically building things and taking classes and knowledge sharing with others here on all things AI. AI first development as well as AI agents and how to implement these in our projects and in existing projects, whether it's old clients that really need help improving their workflows and utilizing AI to improve things. Yeah, there's some tricky stuff about we're replacing humans in some cases, and that kind of makes me feel some type of way, but change is always inevitable. Anyway, I digress. We can talk philosophy later. So what am I actually doing? I'm creating projects every week. It's been one huge project per week the first 3 weeks, and those first 3 weeks were remote, and they worked as a filtering mechanism as well. Can people actually meet every deadline, 3 deadlines a week, 24-hour deadline, Friday night, Sunday night, and produce something beautiful and have it be well engineered as well, not having slop code? And can you also present very well and articulate yourself? And in this week, we're building 3 projects in 1 week. Crazy. This is one project I'm working on. It's basically gamifying an existing tutoring platform, a very big one, like probably the first search result on Google if you search tutoring platform. And my thing is they want to increase user retention and bring new users on. My first thought is gamification, because when you're having fun, it doesn't really feel like learning. And the point is they have a tutoring platform, and can you even see the thing? This is, they have a tutoring platform, student, tutor. When it's done, they already have this where a transcript is generated and a summary is generated. And so what we do is we implement AI agents to basically receive that info and produce actions, challenges, things for the student to reinforce their learning and to do fun challenges and to challenge their friends, whether they're in the app or outside of the app. It's like very cool and put together in 2 days. This is my first project working with someone else. We decided they were gonna work on the back end, I'm gonna work on like the user experience and the gamification, because that just makes me so happy. And first, I started in Excalidraw. It's a program where I can just like sketch out ideas. Can I zoom in? Is this working? Hello? Yes. So I thought of an interface. Well, first I had to understand the requirements and the agent flow and the interface. And then this big text, where is it? This big text is my prompt that I just dropped in to the AI dev. And that began me creating something incredible in just today alone, since I got here at 5 a.m. Took a break to work out and to eat, but that's it. And I'm having so much fun. So I'm not the only one here at 11 p.m. on a Friday night. We're a bunch of fucking nerds, and what's exciting is that everyone is excited. We're genuinely enjoying this stuff. So I'll take you around, give you a little tour. But that's what I've been doing. Got flown out here so I can, weeks 4 through 10. And it's not just building things. Yesterday we had a hiring partner day. So how the program works, the reason why it's all free, is these companies want the best talent in AI engineering. And this program is designed specifically, one, it filters for very smart people. The CCAT exam, the coding test, the background check, do you have 3+ years experience in engineering? And then it's just 100+ hours a week. Can you keep up? And not only are you smart and intelligent, but do you have the work ethic? And honestly, before this summer, I would not have made it. I just started really grinding really hard this summer, and now I'm able to do it. But we have multiple floors. We have an arcade machine. We have our own gym in here, fridge stocked. We got lots of things, and it's just designed for us to work really hard. And I am so happy after spending most of my life not wanting to work, wanting to play games, wanting to do other things, wanting to learn about everything else in the world. And then this year kind of felt like I've reached a point where I just want to become an expert at something. I want to go really hard, generate expertise, and build things. I've had a crazy imagination all my life and just hated sitting down to write line by line of code. ADHD, boredom, whatever it is. And now with AI tools, I can literally just speak my imagination into existence. It takes a few hours to think through a thing, design it, write it out, and then I send it off. But it's not just it doing its own thing. Like, I have to keep checking it. But these tools just in the last 6 months have gotten so insane. So if anyone's curious, I can elaborate on that. I definitely want to write blogs and do vlogs talking about what I've been learning here. So I'll do that. But if anyone specifically wants to know, then hey, that'll incentivize me to do it sooner than later. Let me know what you think. And if you want to talk about the full philosophical implications of getting involved with AI and what AI is going to do to change the world, because it's very strange. And I'm on the side of humanity. I'm on the side of what's best for us. Obviously, change is inevitable and we are going to have to adapt. But yeah, let me know what you think.